Hey guys, packaging new orders today. I have these homemade turmeric and rosemary soap that I started to make. So if you want to order yours, I'll link the info down below. So this is my new packaging for soaps. It's a small bubble mailer, and then we have the business card in there. Don't forget the business card. And then we're gonna close it. So tiny. Probably get. Nah, this is actually perfect. Yeah, this is going out. My soaps. First order.
The next bag.
Alright guys, this is the next one. It's a kid's watermelon bonnet. Hopefully this one sticks. Gonna roll it twice and then yep, this one works perfect. Early morning. And then another order. So we're about the sunlight and the sunshine. Okay, so this is the other bonnet. This beautiful purple bonnet. I'm gonna go ahead and package it. I'm already out of stock with a few items, so I need to work on my restock. Yeah, so I have a new soap that I came up with. It's really good for blemishes, acne scars, and dark spots. So if you're struggling with those things, go ahead and order my soap and it will definitely help you. It's 100% organic and homemade, and it's made with vegetable oil and not animal fat. The soap base is shea butter, and he has rosehip oil and turmeric. All those things are good for your skin. This is the other package. And I'm almost done. Okay, so this is one order, 2 bonnets. We got this purple and green color. It's very pretty. And then this black one. I'm actually out of stock for this black one. So we're gonna go ahead and we're putting this one in a big bag because it's 2 bonnets and it's too big for the first bag. Can you see what I'm doing? Look like that. And we just need a business card. Here it is. I'll go ahead and write in the back and then I'll be back. Okay, here's the business card. And we're all set. This is the big thank you bag I use for my large orders. It's really huge. I used to use it for my sweaters, but I use it for large orders now. Gotta air out this stuff. So here's the bag. Alright, we're all set. So we got, yeah, so we only got 4 orders today. The soap, turmeric soap, baby bonnet, purple, and the 2 bonnets. So we're gonna go ahead and ship them to the customer. Going to the UPS to drop off the packages. If you like this mask, I have a link down below to purchase it. It's one of my African print face masks and it's reversible, so this side has a different print. And yeah, anyways, I'll be back.